Embracing messy minimalism. Simplify your life and create a peaceful environment. Minimalism is a lifestyle that focuses on living with less and simplifying one's surroundings. It is not about perfection or always being tidy, but rather about finding what works for each individual. One specific approach to minimalism is called messy minimalism, which allows for a more relaxed and imperfect approach to decluttering and organizing. In the next few minutes, we will explore the concept of messy minimalism and how it can help you simplify your life and create a peaceful environment. The essence of messy minimalism. Messy minimalism recognizes that minimalism is a continuous process and that everyone's definition of minimalism may be different. It emphasizes easily tidying up rather than striving for perfection. It acknowledges that minimalism is a marathon, not a sprint, and that it is a tool to help you live with intention and create a clutter-free environment. The container method. One method that can be used in messy minimalism is the container method. This involves setting boundaries or containers for specific spaces in your home. Once a designated space is full, it's time to let go of something in order to make room for new items. This helps to prevent clutter from accumulating and ensures that you are only keeping what you truly need and value. Being mindful of what you bring in. Another important aspect of messy minimalism is being mindful of what you bring into your home. It's important to pay attention to the items you are constantly acquiring and consider whether they are adding value or simply contributing to clutter. By being intentional about what you bring into your home, you can prevent clutter from building up and maintain a more organized space. The silent to-do list. One concept that aligns with messy minimalism is the idea of the silent to-do list. Every item in our home sends us a message, often something that needs to be done. These silent messages can contribute to feelings of stress and anxiety. By decluttering and reducing the number of items in our home, we can improve our ability to concentrate and reduce mental clutter. Matching inventory with your season of life. Messy minimalism encourages us to match the inventory in our home with our current season of life. It's important to consider whether we have the capacity to maintain certain items and whether they contribute to our overall well-being. By reducing the inventory in our home, we can reduce the demands of the silent to-do list and create a more peaceful and manageable living space. Conclusion. Messy minimalism is a specific approach to minimalism that allows for a more relaxed and imperfect lifestyle. It emphasizes easily tidying up rather than perfection and encourages us to match the inventory in our home with our current season of life. By reducing clutter and simplifying our surroundings, we can create a more peaceful and stress-free environment. Embrace messy minimalism and experience the benefits of living with intention and simplicity. To stay updated with more content like this, please remember to like and subscribe to our channel. All things simple.